off the back of Black Ops 1, before we even finished working on it, the team at Treyarch, all guns blazing on Black Ops 2. They've worked so hard, they've put so much of themselves into it, and it's been my privilege to work with them. And I can't wait to see their reaction when this game gets released on November 13th.
You know what I'm really excited for is to actually get this game in the hands of players, to be honest. The team has got so much love tied up into this one. Let's get this thing into the world where, as we talk right now, we're about 30 days away from giving it to everybody. I'm personally very excited about that.
I'm really hoping the story comes together as well as it seems like it should, you know. With the people they have on board writing it and with what they were able to accomplish with Black Ops 1 and the fact that they've had 2 years to kind of work on this one. I've played the multiplayer enough already that I can tell they're on something with that. Like, the Pick 10 system, I think, really is pretty great. And it's whether or not they can take this campaign and really do something awesome.